Hello everyone, this is ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. From the long period of no videos, I just got wireless earbuds JBL by Harman, and its model is TUNE 205BT. These are the Bluetooth headphones with the main feature is pure bass and 6 hours of non-stop music play. Let's see what's there to listen. This part is how they look like. I got the black color. There is a white, silver, white with the gold, and there is a blue, somehow metallic blue. I actually wanted that one, but it's not available in the store, so I got the black one because there was an option gold one and silver one, but the black one, you know, that covers all kind of cases. Actually, what we have here: pure bass sound, hands-free calls. It's supporting the hands-free calls. Tangle free flat cables. Cables are flat, as you can see from there, so they are not tangling. And comfort fit earbuds. I like this style. I don't like the vacuum ones or the rubber things that you are putting your into your ear, but this one is like the more Apple like design, and we will test it how it feels and how fits and how it feels. I will share my experience after the using, let's say 10-15 days. But now move on and do the quick unboxing. Let's get started. Okay, I got this one. I'm opening here. I always like the JBL audio devices, any kind of speakers, computer speakers. There is nothing inside. Let's throw it here and see what we get. I got here the instruction manual, user guide as usual. Nothing, no other interesting stuff there. We have this orange cable. Orange, you know, the JBL's color, as you can see here, is JBL logo is orange, and it's a micro USB to standard USB. This is for charging for sure. What else is here? Nothing, just paper for putting here, packaging paper, and here they are. We have this JBLs. As you can see, I mean that this part, this is more Apple-like design, and there is a red and blue. I think this is for left right thing to be remembered, because there is no writing here, or it is the left one or right, but there is a, you can see this one have the red dot and this one have the blue dot. Here is this part is for charging, and I think this covers the main battery here. So, and here is the control. This is the multifunction button which will control the answering phones, pausing, or if you double tap it, it will go to the next track. So this is the power, volume up, down, and here is the for charging. So micro USB, as you can see here, this is for putting to charge. Actually, you can, there is no charger included, only the cable, but actually you can charge it from any kind of USB device. Even in you are in the onboard of the aircraft, you can use the new aircrafts. All of them have the USB sockets. So this is it, guys. It has the JBL Bluetooth headset, and JBL logo here. So this is it. As you can see, this is the black color and with the silver. So there is also the blue one, which I wanted but wasn't available in the store. And I can show you in the photo that this one shows the blue color, blue nice color. This is it. Stay well, stay cool, hit the subscribe button, and I will share the more videos upcoming of the news, tech news, smartphones, smartwatches, and different kind of gadgets. Stay well, stay cool. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for reaching me out till 960 subscribers. There is still 40 more to be 1000. Thanks again. Bye bye.